First, we'll start by removing the latches. You'll need a pick tool. It'll come up like that. Same thing on the opposite side. That'll show your bolts. You'll need a 10mm. Set your bolts aside. We'll remove our latches. Lift the panel. Set the panel aside. So this is your release point. Like that. Your panel will come out. And now we're ready to drill our holes. So we'll start by removing these two screws with the Phillips head screwdriver, and we'll take a 3/8 drill bit and we'll drill directly through the existing holes. So we'll take our provided screws and washer to mount the panel to the mounting bracket. You will need a 2.5mm Allen head. And repeat this process on the other side. We're gonna take our harness and feed it through the back side of the bracket. And replace the panel the same way that we pulled it out. From here, we'll make our connections and plug them into the proper receptacles. We'll then replace the floorboard. Replacing the hooks with the silver opening towards the rear of the vehicle. We'll take our 10mm bolt and secure it to the panel.